That's why we dey put body for security and infrastructure for Naija. Presido Muhammadu Buhari na im yarn this one. And this ogbonge informate wey we dey bring una so na on top with tori for today. Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don meet with Presido Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa of Portugal as e give am better tori unto why Naija dey put body for infrastructure and security Deve for the country. E do dis talk with Portugal Presido as im meeting with am na part of the plans wey im get to get side meetings for United Nations General Assembly August 74, the one wey dey shele for New York. As e go use dis one take follow other world leaders talk and do bilateral meeting. Buhari talk say Naija na big country and people plenty well for inside, but the infrastructure Deve wey dey the country e no dey well. E come talk say Naija need people to come invest well, and na dis one na im dey make im government dey put body for roads, rail, power, airports and many other areas. E talk say sake of say if infrastructure no dey well, investment no go waka enter the country. Buhari come salute Portugal for the support wey dem dey give Naija unto many ogbonge matter as e be say Portugal na wetin oyinbo dey call better support system. Naija Presido talk say Sahel too get many security katakata as e dey join body with the one wey dey shele for Naija northeast area. But shaking no dey as Naija government don dey work well to see say everything e go waka well. On top the security matter wey dey shele for Gulf of Guinea, President Muhammadu Buhari don ask for better support from Portugal sake of say the crude oil wey dem dey gbase comot for Naija and other country e dey pass through Gulf of Guinea take move. E talk say for im second term so, dem ready waka on top wetin dem don start for im first term. So when im go retire with better peace of mind. Presido de Sousa salute the kind join body wey im country get with Nigeria, the one wey im dey call excellent relation, as e explain say Portuguese company boku well for Nigeria and say Naija reason matter on top international bodies. E dey follow the way Portugal take the reason. Presido de Sousa talk say dem dey feel wetin Naija dey feel as dem sef dey do better check unto wetin dey shele for Sahel, and dem go throway better support give Nigeria to take fight all this terrorism katakata. Portugal go dey host Euro-African Forum next year, and at this one na im make Presido de Sousa come invite Presido Muhammadu Buhari, say im go like make e come open the event for Lisbon, even if na half a day na im Presido Buhari go fit stay. E talk say dis one go sweet am for body well if the Naija Presido go fit dey Portugal, sake of say dem don dey expect make Presido Muhammadu Buhari make e come Portugal for many times. E talk say many African Presido don come Portugal, but dem be want Naija Presido make e come. Make una sabi say dis bilateral meeting wey Presido Muhammadu Buhari do with Presido de Sousa of Portugal na the one wey oyinbo dey call closed door meeting than na dem meeting. But na Minister of Foreign Affairs Geoffrey Onyema na im come yarn tori people all the matter wey shele for the meeting.
The President talked about the measures that were being taken to provide to safeguard the security of the ships, and also he talked about piracy and other challenges, security challenges in the Gulf. They looked at the terrorist challenges and the steps that needed to be taken to address that issue. He talked about Portugal's support for Nigeria in those challenges. And then also, of course, the issue of irregular migration and the challenges that that's posing for Europe, the need for the European Union to be also supportive of Africa in addressing economic challenges. Guinea-Bissau is going through a very difficult period at the moment. The Portuguese president, recognizing that Nigeria has a lot of influence in the region, is very keen for Mr. President to support maintaining the government in power so that they can carry out the elections November 24th this year.
Now here we see the better information reach on top with tori for today. As Naija Presido Muhammadu Buhari don follow Presido de Sousa of Portugal take talk wetin make Naija dey throway body put on top security and infrastructure. And this ogbonge talk e do am with am as im dey hunger than a United Nations General Assembly 74 as e dey part of the ogbonge plans wey e get to follow world leaders talk on top Naija Deve. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate on top wetin dey shele for hunger 74. Na T Live Media na im dey bring am come for una on top with tori for today. To continue to dey get dis sharp and clear informate as e dey shele for we country, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe to we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. And our still follow us waka enter Facebook for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com to dey get ogbonge informate as e dey shele.